Okay, if you want to keep your shower doors clean, what works really good is WD-40 coating. WD-40. It helps the water runoff. Just makes things a lot easier to keep clean. It's not so much a cleaner, but it does just help keep things clean. Let's see. It will be better than it was. But it really leaves the coating is what we're after. It helps. I happen to like the smell too, but then I'm a maintenance guy, so what can I say? Looks way better, and that will do that job much better. So getting the other door is a little bit trickier. Something we can do is kind of push this through like that. Get my rag back.
You want to be real careful with that, as you don't want to scratch your doors. You can put another rag between
So I can get to this a little bit easier.
the handle and the glass, and that way that can rub against in between. And you know, if you put a second rag in between the handle and the glass, then you won't scratch your door frame. Use the information at your own risk. You got to practice safety and do things in a way that don't cause other damage.
You can see it. It'll dry back to a little bit of a haze, but I think it won't be nearly as bad as it was. It's just go.
And be careful for the handles. Sometimes they have sharp edges or sharp corners, so you don't want to, you know, cut yourself on those. Just
And obviously the nice coating, the nice smell, and help this shower door survive a lot better. That'll be that. Step on the glass. You get the idea. I gotta get in there a little more, but that's the gist of it. Again, it could be cleaned a little bit better, but at least it's a little bit better. And you can lube the tracks and stuff with it too. And that works pretty good for getting some of that stuff off there too. Much better, much nicer, and a nice smell.